Okay, so this is a review for the Ganzo G727M axis lock folding knife. Came from GearBest. Box came a little bit damaged, but it's only for me this one, so I'm not too worried. It's got a little pouch, which, to be honest, I'm not going to use. Feels a bit cheap and thin, and I don't think it'll last very long. But the knife itself is a good, heavy feeling knife. Centered well. Good sort of non-slip G10 handles. Went for the olive drab cover. Open smoothly with one hand. I like the shape of the blade. And closes well enough. Clip on the back can be reversed, so you can take it off there and then mount it there for left-handed operation. This is for right at the moment as it sits in a pocket. Deploys pretty rapidly. Good axis lock. A tiny bit of play in the blade, but nothing too bad. It's stiff. Yeah, it's a nice knife.